Welcome back to Everett Barbecue. I'm Joe Everett, and today we're cooking chicken halves on the Dyna-Glo offset smoker. Winter is upon us. It's getting colder, and we ain't got all day to stay outside. So I'm gonna show you how to do this quick, easy, and hopefully pretty tasty like. Okay, let's half this chicken up for the Dyna. I'm basically going to trim this bird as I would for a spatchcock, but cut it in half after I'm done removing the spine. And I want to make an incision right here, just in the center here. Let's separate this breastbone, get it to the keel, and put some pressure on here. And it'll give. Just kind of push the breasts and the back thigh away. Usually I get it in one piece. And now having your chicken is much easier because there's nothing in the way to stop you from going right through to the skin. I like to trim this fat so that the leg has a chance to cook. You know, I'm not Satan here. I'm gonna dry both of these off. Particularly the skin side. I'm gonna go with a little of the avocado oil just on the skin. We're going with AP seasoning to start. I'll go with our Dirty Mother Cluckers rub for poultry. We'll get the smoker ready and call this chicken good to go. I'm going with all cherry on this chicken cook. As you know, I like to do the four corners in the Dyna. And no combo with hickory. This is just all, we're going all cherry, and that's probably all I'm gonna use. Now what I'm doing is pouring a small bed of Kingsford so that the lump doesn't fall through. Then I'm filling the remainder up with royal oak lump. And then I'll throw the lit chimney in the remaining space. Coal's going on. We are right in the 220s where I want to be to start this chicken smoke. I'm going to start closing the damper down and maintaining. But first we're going to put this chicken on. I like the level of smoke we're getting. Okay, we're going to throw these boids on the top rack. Yeah. While we're here, trusty little DOT. Yeah, that'll wait. Okay. Probably checking an hour and a half, maybe just an hour, see how she's doing. Okay. We're at 165. Let's see how accurate we are. Might need some more time, might not. Skin looks pretty good. Yeah, you deal with that. 167 on this. Oh, DOT Dahn. 70. Let's see where this drummy's at. 180. That'll do. Oh, the poor DOT. Didn't think he'd go down for the count. Barbecue chicken done. The streets approve. We are set. Let's mow some of this chicken down. This one looks pretty good. Go ahead and take our quarter off. This has been resting about, let's say 15 minutes. Oh yeah. Hello? Oh, little ribby. A ribby. Well, let's see how the leg did. Right, skin's staying on there. That's a good sign. There's a smoke ring. Dark meat, very nice. Let's try and get this drumhead off of here. Not bad. That wing has some flavor. Just get the breast off this rib. Just a little rib flat there. Try not to lose too much of my tender. And yeah, thigh looks good. Drumstick, pretty good. Someone already made short work of that drumette, but I think it's slicing pretty good. Now granted, I'm doing my best to hold the skin on there. I won't lie. But what I'm most worried about, because this isn't any competition, but juiciness, you know? I mean, that chicken looks juicy to me. Skin's remained on. Really nice piece. Ooh, getting it all over the table. Better just go ahead and try some of this. Holy cow, that's some baller chicken. Well, some pretty good results from this cook. It was simple, short, and sweet. Just a quick rub down, AP rub, the Dirty Mother Cluckers with a little drizzle of avocado oil to help the skin along. We basically cooked with a lot more lump, less briquettes. I'd say 225 area for the first hour and a half. And then the last hour or so, we cranked it up to 300 so we could finish up, get a nice crispy skin, and got some juicy chicken in the results. I don't know if you can see the steam still rising up, but that's after a 15-minute rest, so roughly 2.5 hours smoking. There is a smoke ring. Not a great deal one, but what the cherry could afford us. Cheers. Juicy drumstick. Nice smoke ring on that. You should get a smoke ring on the dark meat. Really good bite through. Sorry, double dip on that. Both the white and dark meat got cooked right where I wanted it. The dark meat may have gotten up to the 180s, but both breasts were right in 165, 167 temp. Super simple way to smoke chicken in your Dyna-Glo. I will have to say I did feed the fire once in this cook to get the fire up to 300. We're dropping below 40 degrees today, so any sort of dip in the temperature outside is going to affect your cook inside of that firebox for the Dyna. So basically gave it a nice full healthy chimney, and I stirred the fire probably 3 different times during the entirety of the cook. Thanks so much for watching. If you want more barbecue videos like this, experiments from this backyard, click subscribe. You can join my tribe, get in the backyard and cook with us. That's just a good wing. That is just a good eating wing. Shame I just cleaned it. But you gotta maintain your smokers, maintain your probes. Be using dirty stuff. I wouldn't do that to y'all. I feel like chicken tonight. Quote the late great Colonel Sanders, I'm too drunk to taste this chicken.